Great home cooking made easy doesn't get any easier than this. An amazing chicken adobo in a crock pot. The kitchen is now open, so come on in. Let's cook something good. I start by mixing together 3/4 cup of white vinegar, a 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1½ teaspoons of crushed garlic, and 1½ tablespoons of white sugar until dissolved, and then set that aside. Today, I am using 4½ pounds of skinless chicken thighs and trimming off the excess fat and sinew. You can also use skin-on thighs and peel it off or leave it on, but then you need to fry until the skin gets crispy. I've tried it. It was messy, and the final result was just not worth the trouble, so for me, I go skinless. I layer my chicken in the crock pot, putting any larger pieces on the bottom. Then I pour the sauce over the top and finish my prep by evenly distributing 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns and 4 to 5 bay leaves over the top. Another thing I really love about this recipe is I can make it a day or two ahead of time, and the flavors just continue to meld together in the fridge, so it can be even better the next day or the day after that. Finally, I cook my chicken on low until tender, so I set my pot for 5 to 6 hours. Frankly, the chicken will probably be falling off the bone by then. This is gorgeous! The chicken is amazingly tender and the aroma is absolutely outrageous. Super good, super easy. What's not to love about this recipe? For me, this is comfort food and one more example of great home cooking made easy.